Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 cannot turn off airplane mode. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. First of all, if you have a Dell laptop, check if you have accidentally switch off the toggle switch on the right side of your laptop. And after checking that, if your problem is still, then you can try a first method. The first method is that go to your services, open a run as administrator. After that, find out open a radio management services, and you can select automatically and plug apply and OK, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a cmd and open a command prompt, run as administrator. After that, first of all, type a command is ip config space / release and press enter. After doing this, type a command is ip config space / renew and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this, type a command is ip config space and / flush dns and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net sh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net sh space int space ip reset and press enter. After doing this, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.